Indoor greenery enhances healing and wellness by naturally purifying the air, calming the senses, and supporting restful sleep. A peaceful plant-filled space reduces stress, improves breathing, and creates a soothing atmosphere that nurtures both physical health and emotional balance. Let's quickly explore the best indoor plants for healing and wellness. Boston fern, Nephrolepis exaltata, is a lush, graceful indoor plant known for its feathery green fronds and strong air-purifying qualities. It helps increase indoor humidity, making it beneficial for better breathing and skin comfort, especially in dry environments. This fern supports a calming atmosphere that promotes relaxation and stress reduction, contributing to improved sleep quality. Boston fern thrives in bright, indirect light with consistently moist soil and moderate humidity. Its soft, arching foliage adds natural elegance to living spaces while supporting overall healing, wellness, and a refreshing indoor environment. Peace lily, Spathiphyllum wallacei, is a graceful indoor plant valued for its glossy green leaves and elegant white blooms. It is known for improving indoor air quality by absorbing common airborne toxins and increasing humidity, which supports easier breathing. The plant creates a calming, serene atmosphere that helps reduce stress and promotes better sleep. Peace lily thrives in low to medium indirect light and requires minimal care, making it ideal for indoor spaces. Its long-lasting flowers and gentle presence symbolize peace and balance, supporting emotional well-being, healing, and overall wellness in the home. Aloe vera, Aloe barbadensis Miller, is a powerful wellness plant admired for its thick, gel-filled leaves and natural healing properties. It releases oxygen at night, helping create a fresher indoor atmosphere that supports restful sleep. The plant's soothing energy and clean, modern appearance contribute to a sense of calm and clarity. Aloe vera prefers bright light and minimal watering, making it easy to maintain indoors. Beyond its visual appeal, it is traditionally associated with rejuvenation and protection, encouraging a healthier living environment while supporting daily comfort, balance, and holistic indoor well-being. Rubber plant, Ficus elastica, is a bold, attractive indoor plant known for its large, glossy leaves and strong air-cleansing ability. It helps remove indoor pollutants while increasing oxygen levels, contributing to a healthier breathing environment. The plant's deep green foliage creates a grounding, calming effect that supports mental relaxation and emotional balance. Rubber plant adapts well to indoor conditions, thriving in bright, indirect light with moderate watering. Its low-maintenance nature and striking presence make it ideal for homes and offices, where it enhances wellness by promoting freshness, tranquility, and a sense of natural harmony indoors. Snake plant, Sansevieria trifasciata, is a hardy indoor plant valued for its upright, sword-shaped leaves and remarkable adaptability. It releases oxygen at night, helping improve air quality and supporting deeper, more restful sleep. The plant absorbs indoor toxins and reduces stale air, creating a fresher and healthier living space. Snake plant thrives in low light and needs very little watering, making it ideal for busy households. Its strong vertical growth brings a sense of stability, calm, and balance to interiors while quietly contributing to long-term healing, wellness, and overall indoor comfort. Spider plant, Chlorophytum comosum, is a cheerful and fast-growing indoor plant recognized for its arching green and white striped leaves and gentle, refreshing presence. It supports wellness by reducing indoor pollutants and improving overall air freshness. The plant creates a light, uplifting atmosphere that helps ease mental fatigue and promotes relaxation. Spider plant adapts easily to a wide range of indoor conditions, tolerating varying light levels and occasional mist watering. Its cascading growth and natural vibrancy make living spaces feel lively and balanced, encouraging comfort, positivity, and a healthier connection to nature indoors. Areca palm, Dipsis luteenscens, is a graceful indoor plant admired for its soft, feathery fronds and refreshing tropical appeal. It naturally adds moisture to indoor air, helping create a more comfortable environment for breathing and relaxation. The plant brings a light, airy feeling to interiors, reducing stress and enhancing emotional well-being. Areca palm thrives in bright, indirect light and appreciates regular watering, making it well suited for living rooms and open spaces. Its gentle movement and lush greenery promote calm energy, supporting daily wellness, freshness, and a soothing atmosphere indoors. Lavender, Lavandula angustifolia, is a fragrant indoor herb cherished for its soothing aroma and delicate purple blooms. Its natural scent is known to calm the nervous system, ease anxiety, and encourage deeper, more peaceful sleep. Lavender helps create a tranquil atmosphere that supports emotional balance and relaxation after a busy day. It prefers bright light, good air circulation, and well-drained soil when grown indoors. Beyond its beauty, lavender brings a gentle sensory experience that promotes mindfulness and comfort, making it an excellent choice for bedrooms or quiet corners focused on rest, healing, and overall wellness. English ivy, Hedera helix, is a versatile indoor climber valued for its trailing vines and rich green foliage. It helps create a cleaner indoor environment by reducing airborne impurities and supporting fresher air circulation. The plant adds a cooling, calming presence that encourages relaxation and mental clarity. English ivy adapts well to indoor settings, preferring bright, indirect light and evenly moist soil. Its cascading growth softens interior spaces and brings a natural, peaceful rhythm to the home. This gentle greenery supports wellness by enhancing comfort, balance, and a soothing atmosphere for everyday living. Jasmine, Jasminum sambac, is a beautiful indoor plant admired for its glossy green leaves and intensely fragrant white flowers. Its soothing natural aroma is known to calm the mind, reduce restlessness, and support deeper, more refreshing sleep. Jasmine creates a comforting and uplifting atmosphere that helps ease daily stress and promotes emotional well-being. It thrives in bright light with regular watering and gentle care. The plant's delicate blooms open mostly in the evening, filling indoor spaces with a peaceful scent. Jasmine adds elegance and serenity to homes while nurturing relaxation, positivity, and overall healing through its gentle presence.